Okay, let's talk about critical environments. This next series of vacuums have been designed for clean room applications. Controlled environments where that particle count has to be at a certain level, or whatever is happening in that process could be compromised. So, behind me you're going to see the CRV, a 4-gallon dry-only, very quiet unit with an ULPA filter mounted on the exhaust side of the motor, so we're actually containing carbon emissions. That's how critical these machines filter. We also have 15-gallon models that can pick up dry-only material, or we have 15-gallon wet-dry configurations. Pharmaceutical, electronic manufacturing, semiconductor manufacturing, these are all prime end users for us. Controlled environment vacuums, we've got 15-gallon and we've got 4-gallon. In the 15-gallon model, we can go with an X1000, which is configured for dry-only pickup, or we can actually put a stack on here, which would house the filters, put a float mechanism in the tank, which creates then the MX1000, good for wet-dry recovery. If you remember, we talked about how we're able to keep the carbon emissions contained within the canister and filtered through that ULPA medium. So how do we keep that exhaust, the carbon emissions, from coming out into the environment? Here's what we do. The exhaust comes out of one port, where we're able to take this tube and attach it to the lid assembly and take that emission and redirect it right through the ULPA filter so what's coming out here is nice and clean. The 4-gallon model, the CRV, is our most popular. 4-filter media. Here's what they look like. Collector bag that we've seen in all the other machines. Gasketed so it doesn't leak. Filter protector. Cloth filter bag. Wait a minute, where's the ULPA? Aha! Mounted on the exhaust side of the motor. No carbon emissions.